Only in New Orleans can you stop at a gas station and get lottery tickets, shrimp fried rice, a po' boy, some jambalaya, fried chicken, at the same gas station, It's just
That's wild.
a lot of people don't realize even with like alligators, you can cut an alligator into almost 17 retail cuts. It's not just the tail, there's so much more. People think New Orleans, the first thing they think of is just crawfish, and think we're so much more than just crawfish. Every family's got their different way of cooking everything different, from gumbo to jambalaya to red beans to white beans, I still try to follow the rules that I had when growing up. Mondays was red beans or white beans and rice and things like that, just because it's just to be able to incorporate that little bit of down-home cooking all the time. People people eat out of a brown paper bag so often they forget what a real home-cooked meal is like.
Right.
Everybody puts their little twist on it, when it comes to seasoning and adding their little twist when it comes to just whatever culture you're from or, ethnicity, things like that. But we all are just kind of focused off that one base root that everyone comes. Easiest way to get family together is cook something, and then that's where it kind of builds off of that around here.
Right.